Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for October 30th, 2018. Today we're looking at the USDCHF, the US dollar, versus a Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, we can see clearly that this is in an uptrend along the blue trend line. We've been rising since mid-part of September. Nothing really new. We're continuing to rise. We see this pattern up here at the top of the trend, the three blue boxes I've put on the chart, where there's been some pullback, hesitation, congestion here for the currency pair as it dipped back to the 100 period moving average, bounced, some congestion here between the pink and the blue shaded area, broke out, pink and green zone. Now we're finding resistance at the green zone for the past 3 days. Green zone, by the way, is 1.0010 up to 1.0020. The real question of the day is, are we looking at a breakout? Are we going to see this get above 0020 and continue to pressure to the next resistance? Look back to the left-hand side of the chart, top of the black trend line, you see this blue circle, and top of the red and blue trend line, left hand side of the chart, you see another blue circle. What this shows us is that clearly, if the market can break the green zone and successfully stay above 0020, the yellow zone, 1.004565, is the next resistance. That's not too hard to see looking back to the left hand side of the chart. So we want to see a successful break of the green zone, target the yellow zone. If it doesn't break the green zone, we may see some reversal and head back down to the pink shaded area. All this likely to do with whatever the US dollar does. We have seen very close correlation to whatever the US dollar does, gaining or losing strength. That's what we've seen here on the dollar franc. So we're watching for clues and evidence. That's what you and I do. That's what we're doing. Traders are looking for clues, evidence, indicators, price action that will give us confidence of one of two things. Either this is going to continue to the yellow zone or turn around and go back down. That's about as simplified as I can make trading for you. Zooming in a couple of times here and you can see what's happening. We're challenging, we're testing 10020 today. So we want to see a real breakout. We don't want a false breakout. It's difficult often to buy at the top of the trend. It's about timing. It's about looking for the right opportunity if you're going to buy something at the highest price. You know, remember that old motto, buy low, sell high. If you're going to buy something, you don't want to buy it at the highest price. You want to buy it at a lower price. So ideally, we'd be looking for this to dip before we buy it. Maybe back down to the pink zone before we would buy it. Does that mean we can't buy it at the top? No, it just means we need to watch for the right price action and setup here. So again, difficult to buy it right now. Should you sell it? I don't think there's any good reason to do that yet either. Let's take it on down to the 4 hour. I think this is going to make it much more clear for us here on the 4 hour time frame. So take a look at this on the 4 hour. We see right now the previous 4 hour candle got clearly above 0020. Now we have not seen it stay above there so far. The current candle could literally turn into a false breakout. What do I mean by that? Well, you don't have to look very hard, do you? Right here where this black circle is a false breakout. We see one candle, the blue candle, close above the green zone. Red candle opens and turns right back around and goes back down again. So we need to see something different. We don't want this red candle to get back inside or underneath the green zone. We want it to stay above 00020. So if we do see that, we will likely see it pressure back towards the yellow shaded area, or we have a higher potential, let's say that it will head back up here to the yellow zone. So I'm waiting for this candle to close to make sure that it's not just going to suddenly turn back into or under the green zone before looking for an opportunity to buy towards the yellow zone or higher for the dollar franc. The opposite side of that, if you're looking to go short and sell the dollar franc, you're looking for it to do exactly that, get back inside or under the green zone before you look to go short from the highest point on the dollar franc. Keeping an eye on the US dollar for some correlating strength or weakness for the US dollar and the US franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.